Hello there, welcome to the Clever Car Collection. Fancy seeing you here. Well, I'm glad you are, because today I'm going to show you all around this Volvo C70. It is a convertible, but the convertible roof doesn't work. That's why this is a spares or repairs car. Now, it is the T5, which is a 2.5 litre petrol engine. It's got an automatic gearbox. There are a few marks on it. In fact, there's many marks on it, but that's what you'd expect from a car of this age and mileage. We've got a little bit of service history with this car, which we will hand over to you, and the MOT runs out at the end of this month, so better be quick. It's been looked after by its previous owner with decent tyres. It's got Pirelli all-weather tyres on it. He has also cleaned the wheels up quite nicely. We haven't cleaned them, but he did. Inside, it's leather interior. I mean, look at that. Excellent filming, Joe. Beautiful interior. What else can I say about it? Well, you know, yeah, it's got seats, front and rear. I've got a key, one of. This car has been used by a friend of ours for the last 3 months. Yeah, at least 3 months. They've been driving around in it perfectly fine. It does use a bit of fuel because it is quite a punchy engine, but it does run. There is a engine warning light on. Again, another reason why it is a spares or repairs car. But apart from that, it is running fine. Automatic gearbox, like I say, the roof doesn't work, radio does. Bluetooth hands-free kit from the late 90s, early 2000s, just there. And you can have this Yankee Candle style air freshener for free. Electric windows, electric mirrors, I mean, do they work? They work. The windows work, these windows work. Mirrors, that works. I think the left-hand one doesn't work, and that is, let's have a look, Joe. Does it work? No, it does work. But there is an issue with the temperature sensor in that mirror, which means the roof doesn't work, because it currently thinks it's minus 12. It's not minus 12 because otherwise I'll be frozen to death. But it does drive. Let's just take it for a little drive back to the dealership. I'll put a seatbelt on to show you everything is fine in terms of driving it. But again, spares or repairs this vehicle. Look at this, smooth, luxurious. You haven't got a seatbelt on, so it's beeping at us. But I will drive us around to the dealership. If you'd like this car, it is available on a spares or repairs basis. I don't know whether I've mentioned that. Have I mentioned it? Spares or repairs. If you'd like any further information, I'm James. It's James at theclevercarcollection.com. There are some pictures of this car on our website, clevercarcollection.com, and you could be driving around in a luxurious C70 once you fixed it and made it ready for the road. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Update for you. We have got the roof working. It is actually down.
I don't know whether it goes up, but it is down.
Joe has fixed it. So let's see if it goes up, and we'll do that live as part of this video.
Okay.
Part of this video.
In park. Handbrake on.
Yeah. Are you pressing it yet? Oh, hang on. Here we go. Look at this. The roof works and everything. What did you have to do to make it work?
So the temperature fault is intermittent. It now thinks it's minus 4. I remember when we took this car in, it would work sometimes. I think weirdly Volvo set the limit that if the car is, if it thinks it's less than minus 9, it won't let you the roof open.
Right. So good news. If you like this car, the roof works now. Anyway, well, it works intermittently. Spares or repairs? I think I mentioned that. James at Clever Car Collection, clevercarcollection.com. It could be yours. Bye.